You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. This is the first time ever that I have been in Greenville, South Carolina. Now, it takes a strong force to pull me in such areas, and only one person can do it. Oh, we have Miss Sook, okay? Now, if you don't remember the last shoots that we did, they went crazy, all right? They went crazy. Now, the reason why this is important is because, first of all, she trusted me with the first shoot that we did in South Carolina, so thank you for that.
Of course.
Second of all, it's all about building a rapport. So that was the first time that we met. It was great vibes, but I believe you gotta continue building those things, especially if you want to be able to travel and create content with each other. So that is the importance of this trip here. So we got a lot of things that we are trying to accomplish, and I appreciate her taking time to meet with little OT Mid, okay? But I got this Airbnb. It is actually pretty dope, so we're gonna do some things here. We got some things we want to do outside. Of course, I'm gonna feed her so she can keep the energy up. And we're gonna get in. You got anything you want to say? No. Okay, let's go.
I'm walking away. I'm not wasting no more time tonight. Either we're fighting or we do this right. No more drama, can we keep it light?
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. Now, this is an interesting space that we are in. I'm actually utilizing it for two purposes. It's an Airbnb that I'm going to stay in, but I also had to make it a studio because you see this lovely exposed brick, okay? You can't get that everywhere. So I wanted to utilize that here today. Now, here to help me, we have Miss Sook, and where can we find you at on Instagram?
Morgan Sukamman.
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the bottom left-hand corner. We're using the Nikon Z8, so Nikon sent this to me. So we're gonna check this out, see what we can get with this. And then I also got the 85 on here. So it's pretty tight, but I think I'm gonna be able to make it work. Got a nice one light situation right here. Hopefully this stands up. This looks like it's doing a good job, but let's hurry up and get these shots. Like that.
Oh, cool.
Alright. So I'm gonna bring this around. There we go. Gorgeous. We get a full body like that. your leg down, but then I want you to just kind of like tug on your jeans a little bit.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Like leaning back or like curved?
Focus